Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through changing subtitle presets in the VLC mobile app. Customizing subtitles can make your viewing experience easier and more enjoyable. Whether you prefer larger text, better contrast, or specific colors, we'll show you how to adjust everything. First, open the VLC app on your mobile device. Next, look at the top left corner, click on Settings. After that, scroll down until you find the Subtitles section. Next, tap on Subtitle presets to open customization options. Now choose your preferred settings. You can select large or largest text, enable contrast, choose yellow text, or enable background with yellow for better visibility. After making your selections, simply go back. Your new subtitle preferences will be applied automatically when you play videos. And that's how you change subtitle presets in VLC Mobile. It's quick and helps personalize your experience. If this video helped, consider liking and subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials.